the previous tutorial, so I was attending that call. So in this tutorial, let us continue it. So what I have been seeing is we need to set the title for it. Yeah, wait a minute, guys. Let me hold on. Yeah, we need to set the title. We can set the title as set questions. That is, the user need to answer those questions. So we can set it as set questions, and it's not that one. Yeah. Now for the title questions, what we can do is we can set the text as please answer please answer these questions. Please answer these questions. And now for verify button we can set the text for verify button dot set text. We can name it as set answers. We can name it as set answers. Yeah, now it's okay. Now what we can do is else if yeah, if it is from login, what we can do is we can set the phone number, reset phone dot set visibility view dot visible. If it is from user side, we no need phone number. So what we can do is we can just reset phone dot set visibility. We can make it gone. And if it is from login, we need phone number, so we are making it again visible. So what else we can do right now is now we can, yeah, we can set down click listener here right now. Yeah, where it is from here, what we can do is verify button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. And now what we can do is here we can just make it a method. That is, we can set answer. We can create the method like this, and we can just create this method right now. We can create this method in this activity. And now what we are going to do is, yeah, here what we can do is we can create a string for storing the answers. We can name it as answer1 equal to, we need to get it from question1 dot get text dot toString. And for string answer2, we can get it from the question2 dot get text dot toString. And we can make it to lowercase, so the user can able to, that is, if the user sets the text in lowercase, it can be, I mean, whether the user sets the answer in lowercase or uppercase, it will convert it to lowercase and it will save it in the database. Suppose if we not type this, the user may confuse. That is, if it is the password is favorite place is London, and if L is capital in, and if he sets the password as, I mean, question answer as L as capital and London, and if he forgets his password and types as London in small letters, it will give him error. That is, he can't able to reset his password. So we can convert all the questions to, that is, all the edit text answers and questions to lower text. So it is easy for them to, so it is not case sensitive. Now what you can do is, if question one dot equals, if it is equals to null, what we can do is, and it is not and, it is or, question, no, it is and. If both are equal to none, if both the questions are equal to null, what we can do is So we can make a toast message. It's not this one. Toast message of please answer both the questions. Please answer both the questions. And now what you can do is after this we can create a database reference, that is if part, this is if else. What we can do is final, it's not f is capital, if so it is case sensitive, final database reference ref or whatever you need, you can name it. Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference, and we can child, our child is the user's node, that is this one. Let me show you. So we have this one node and we need to get the phone. So for that, dot child, here we can get the child of the phone number by prevalent dot current online user dot, we can get the phone number here. Yeah, it's here. And for ref, what we can do is ref dot, we can create one more child inside the node, we can name it as security questions. Yeah, it is security questions, you can name it as security questions dot update children. We need to update children, and first we need to create a hash map for it. Yeah, we need to create a hash map. Yeah, we can create a hash map for it. Hash map of string type, and it is of object, and it is, we can name it as something b, it is better. B for better, and new hash map. And what we can do is b dot put, we can put it, as answer 1, answer, it is answer 1, and the object is answer 1. So we can upload both the answer b dot put of answer 2, and it is answer 2. Yeah, it is answer 2, and right now we can end it. And here we need to update children as b, and we can just set the on complete listener, that is dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. If task dot is successful, the task is successful, what we can do is we can display a toast message, and we can display a toast message as your questions, yeah, you have answered, you have set security questions successfully. Yeah, it is now better. And we can send the user from here to, we can send it from here to, we can set it from home activity. Yeah, reset app password activity dot this to home activity dot class. We can send the user from here to here, and I think it is asking some intent. Yeah, so what we can do is we can just, yeah, it is from, so it will, if you are sending from home activity, we need to pass some value, which is, let me show you. Yeah, where it is the home activity. Yeah, here we have that person, so we can send it as person itself. So intent I equals to new intent, so there won't be any errors, so it is better to do it, so we can do it. Home activity dot class, and it is, and I dot put extra, and we have extra as the key value is person. Yeah, key value is person, and the value of it is user, And now I dot, no, we need to start the activity. Start activity I, yeah, we have started the activity. So now everything is fine, so let us check it right now. So let me run my app, and it's showing us an error, a small error. What it is we need to put a semicolon. So right now it's perfect. Now let us check it for it. So right now let us check it, and what we can do is, yeah, it's installing our app. So let us wait for it. Yeah, now it's being running successfully. So let me log in as 1234, and yeah, it is 1234 again. And now login as user. So I'm gonna log in as user. So I'm going to settings, and now going to set the security question. What is my favorite color? It is green. My favorite place is London. Yeah, now I have put the London as capital letter, so it will set it as small letters. So let us check it. So it is green and it is London. Yeah, now everything is working fine. Now let us log out. Now let us add one more functionality to this. Let me see what it is. Yeah, let me say, yeah, we can display the previous answers if the user has already answered the security question. That is, if the user has already answered the security questions, and if he enters the and if you want to change the answer, he can see the previous answer right there. I will show it in the live demo. So before that, let us just create that method, and in this on start method, if it is the user is from settings activity, what we can do is we can create one more method called previous display previous answers. It is display previous answers, and we can put the semicolon, and we can create the method right now. And I will say what it is in the next tutorial, that is while we are testing. So here what we are going to do is we are gonna copy this database reference. So first let us copy this database reference, because we are gonna display it from the current online user. And yeah, here we need to, what we can do is we have one more child. We have one more child. We have a child as our child name is security questions. Yeah, we have users node, and we have current online user. We have security questions. Yeah, it is the third node. So we can just set it as security questions. The spelling should be same. Just keep in mind. Here we are uploading it as where it is. Yeah, security questions. So the same spelling should be here also. So here it is the same, and what we can do is ref dot add value event listener, new value event listener. And here on data change, what we can do is, if the data snapshot exists, if data snapshot dot exist, if it exists, what we can do is we can create a string answer one equal to data snapshot dot child. We are retrieving from the answer 1, which is this one. Next we are going to retrieve from answer 2, answer 1 dot get value dot toString. Yeah, that's it. So we are going to do the same for answer 2 also. Just copy it and paste it right here, and it is for answer 2. And here if we are going to retrieve from answer 2, the spelling should be same. Just keep in mind, guys. Yeah, now everything is same. Now we are going to just set the text for it. Yeah, our edit text name is question 1 and question 2. Question 1 dot set text. We are going to set text as answer 1. And now what we are going to do is for question 2, we are going to set text as answer 2. Yeah, right now we have completed our app. That's it, guys. Yeah, we need to call this method, and yeah, we have called it in our onStart method itself. That is, if the user comes from settings activity, this method will be called. That is, here it is. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Let me show the live demo in the next tutorial where you can understand more better.